to guess how it's pronounced.
Right, you were saying.
Yeah, and I haven't gotten it right once. Like words like choleric.
Choleric.
Inchoate.
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 Right, yeah.
Halcyon. There was another good one today. Sidereal, I think.
Sidereal, what a word.
Yeah, it's like pertaining to the stars. Sidereal. Actually, that was in a translation of a Fauvé song. Oh.
That's very nice.
We have, and it's written like sidereal, but yeah, sidereal, or maybe sidereal even.
Isn't it EAL?
Yes.
Sidereal, yeah.
Just so you know we're live.
We are live. Hello, everybody. We're live. We're still just chatting. With Zeno speaking English.
Yeah.
Go and get your gin and tonic if you're Lynn Goldsmith. If you're anybody else, then get a nice cup of tea and enjoy. We already have a message saying there's no sound.
What? That's a lie. Suspicious. Try turning off and on.
Maybe whoever just texted me didn't have the TV turned on.
Yeah, boy said, yep, X, working X.
Okay, good.
X. Wow. That's a lot of X's.
But I'm
You
a
think he's
freak.
in on the joke?
Which joke?
Yup, X, working X.
Oh.
Did you tell him?
No, I haven't told him yet. It's a cute tick of British people that when they send messages, they put a lot of X's in their thing, in their text messages. So, hello everybody. How are you all? I hope there's a lot of you out there. Love you really, Dad. I just got a message from him saying cheeky, and then a word I'm not allowed to say on YouTube.
Whoa. What letter does it start with?
It begins with B and has 6 letters.
Oh my god. Okay.
Lynn, oh, it's so lovely that you're there. Enjoy that blackberry and raspberry gin and tonic. I wish I also had a blackberry and raspberry gin and tonic. We'll have to have that next time we're in Gorenhaven. So, let me know how your week has been. If you have had a good week, say hello in the chat.
If you had a good week, say hello.
In the chat.
If you had a good week, say hello.
In the chat.
If you had a good week and you want to let us know. If you had a good week, say hello.
In the chat. Naya. That will work when there's like 500 people watching and not just,
Oh, Jesus. Hey, why am I out of this group now?
You're not out of the group.
Stop putting me out. Oh, Max Packer.
Hey, Max is there. Hello, Max. Hello in the chat. Fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, now everybody's hey, Greg. Okay, so Greg was the first person today to put a request in. So we is going to play the Royal We.
Would it be nice if the Queen said we is?
I really wish the Queen said we is.
Yeah. I think she would be demoted if she says noted princess. People on Facebook go to YouTube.
Are we on Instagram? Thank you, Lynn. That would be lovely. Oh yeah. I like how that's the only song I do tremolo in. Anyway. So this is for Greg, who I assume proposed it. Oh, not ironically. It was a different song I was thinking of. Never mind. Very apt, Greg. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they sent to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Triplet raindrops. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me. Oh, I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining. Dutch and English people think we'll learn a thing from this, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. I'm never gonna stop this rain by complaining. Oh, oh, oh. Raindrops keep falling on my head, just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling.
Oh yeah.
But there's one thing I know, the blues they sent to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me. Oh, I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It is so... it's raining. Can they hear it?
There's a bit of... Maybe we can use the microphone. Can you guys just keep quiet for a bit? Oh yeah. Listen to this.
Burn the
Heavy
witch.
raining. This noise is rain. Let us know in the comments if you would like us to burn Benjamin. Let us know in the comments if you would like us to burn Benjamin, since obviously his songs have magic power.
That's what you meant by burn the witch. Okay.
Yeah. Burn the witch, burn the Benji. We'll do it if we get 25 new subscribers tonight.
Yes.
Hey, Benjamin.
And for 50 new subscribers, I'll stand out in the rain for 1 minute and show you all the results.
Oh. Dude, in like a year when we have more people doing that, then that's actually like a thing.
Like to see it.
I really want to do that.
1 minute. In Dutch minutes.
I can't sleep tonight. Everybody's saying everything is alright. Still I can't close my eyes. I'm seeing a tunnel at all the end of all these lights. Sunny days. Where have you gone? I get the strangest feeling you belong. Why does it always rain on me? Is it because I lied when I was 17? Why does it always rain on me? Even when the sun is shining, I can't avoid the lightning. I remember when I listened to this when it was on TV. Part of it's filmed in Cornwall, by the way. Go and look at the music video. It's by Travis. I remember when I was a kid and my brother and sister were listening to this. They were a lot older than me, and I was like, oh my God. Imagine being 17. And now that was 10 years ago. I can't stand myself. I'm being held up by invisible men. Still off on a shelf when I've got my mind on something else. Sunny days, oh, where have you gone? I get the strangest feeling you belong. Why does it always rain on me? Is it because I lied when I was 17? Why does it always rain on me? Even when the sun is shining, I can't avoid the lightning. Oh, where did the blue sky go? Why is it raining so? It's so cold. I can't sleep tonight. Everybody's saying everything is alright. Still I can't close my eyes. I'm seeing a tunnel at all the end of all these lights. Sunny days. Where have you gone? I get the strangest feeling we belong. Why does it always rain on me? Is it because I lied when I was 17? Why does it always rain on me? Aku coba ingat lagi warna bajumu kala itu, kala pertama di hidupku. Manusia lain memelukku. Lembaran foto hitam putih. Aku coba ingat lagi wangi rumah di sore itu, kue coklat balon warna-warni, pesta hari ulang tahunku. Dimanapun kalian berada, ku kirimkan terima kasih untuk warna dalam hidupku dan banyak kenangan indah. Kau melukis aku. Lembaran foto hitam putih kembali teringat malam ku hitung-hitung bintang saat mataku sulit tidur. Suaramu buatku lelah. Dimanapun kalian berada, ku kirimkan terima kasih untuk warna dalam hidupku dan banyak kenangan indah. Kau melukis aku. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba. Wa-ba-ba-ba-wa. Dimanapun kalian berada, ku kirimkan terima kasih untuk warna dalam hidupku dan banyak kenangan indah. Kau melukis aku. Lembar monokrom hitam putih. Aku coba ingat warna demi warna di hidupku. Takkan ku mengenal cinta bila bukan kena hati baikmu. Lembar monokrom hitam putih. Aku coba ingat warna demi warna di hidupku. Takkan ku mengenal cinta bila bukan kena hati baikmu.
We like minor 9s.
It's so nice to be playing for you guys again.
Yeah, man. That was nice.
Thank you. That was a very nice opening set. Hope you all enjoyed it at home. Take it steady with the gin and tonic, Lynn. We've got a long evening ahead, so you know. Or don't, you know, go for it, and I'll be sure to enjoy the comments. Lynn after 7 gin and tonics. Hidda is not singing tonight because he has corona still. Still, because he had it last week. Remember, he had that in his ear. He had corona in his ear last week, and now he has corona in his lower regions. Ah, obrigado, Greg.
Corona in the lower region. Corona in the biblical sense.
A biblical play. Yeah, okay, yeah, laat maar. Yeah, goed. Guys, it's really lovely to be singing for you guys. Remember, stay active in the comments because it makes this guy very, very happy. This guy.
What about the other two?
The other two guys, well, they can be amusing themselves with corona jokes.
I like it too.
Guys, Facebook and Instagram watchers, head over to YouTube. That is the same. If you're watching on YouTube, if you guys have been watching on Instagram and Facebook, and before you've heard me say get onto YouTube, then head over to YouTube because we've got way better sound systems there.
Quick sticks.
And otherwise, thank you everybody. All of you guys have been donating so much. It's been absolutely awesome. We've got nearly all the equipment we need. We just need another camera. And we need some more money for a microphone. So thank you. Lots of love to all of you guys. Remember, there's a donation link underneath. And as of next week, we're going to be doing Patreon and Petje Af, which is the Dutch version of Patreon.
Oh, I've never heard of that.
It's a new thing.
Can you tell us a bit about Petje Af?
Petje Af.
Yeah.
It's just Patreon, but Dutch.
Oh.
And you can pay with Ideal. So I'm like, that's nice.
That's Patreon, but Patreon.
And you pay less fees. Dus gewoon, als je Nederlands bent en je wilt ons steunen, dan steun niet via Patreon. Dit is wel belangrijk, want dan krijgen wij minder. Want die nemen, nou ja, het moet gewoon naar Amerika en dan terug weer naar Nederland komen. Terwijl met Petje Af komt het gewoon direct naar ons toe. Dus dat is wel gezelliger en leuk voor ons en voor jou. Want dan is minder van jouw geld gespeeld aan third man costs.
Mm-hmm.
Dus dat. Nou, goed, we gaan nog iets zingen. Volgens mij wilt Hidda ook iets zeggen.
Nee, I'm just here...
to be in the limelight.
For the bands.
The bands.
Yeah.
It's
So
lovely
I'm
to have
here,
you.
but
Okay.
Yeah.
He just went there to sing in front of them.
Oh, you're not staying?
Be right back.
In de vroegte van de morgen sprak je zachtjes mijn naam. En ik wist dat je me zeggen zou dat het tijd was om te gaan. Je zei, schat, maak je geen zorgen. Ik zal altijd bij je zijn. En ik wist dat je de waarheid sprak. Door hoe je keek naar mij. Toen je zei. Ik ben klaar om op reis te gaan. Aan de andere kant staan. Voorbij de grens, ik sluit mijn ogen. Voor alles wat er komen gaat, het is laat. Ik ben klaar om op reis te gaan. Ik heb alles wel gedaan. Pak mijn handen, voel het stromen. De liefde die ik bij me draag. Ik vraag je, breng me naar het water. Breng me naar het meer. En leg me neer. It was early in the evening. He gave all that he could give. And I felt him leaving me. But then I learned to live when he said, gonna be crossing over to heaven and the great divine. En ik ben klaar om op reis te gaan. Ik heb alles wel gedaan. Pak mijn handen, voel het stromen. De liefde die ik bij me draag. Ik vraag je, breng me naar het water. Breng me naar het meer. En leg me neer. Lay me down. Ik ben klaar om op reis te gaan. Aan de andere kant staan. Voorbij de grens, ik sluit mijn ogen. Voor alles wat er komen gaat, het is laat. I'm ready to close my eyes. Heavy and so wide. I can feel it pull me under. Steady as a rising tide. Take me to the water. By the road that leads you down. Take me to the water. Scatter me around. Breng me naar het water. Breng me naar het meer. Breng me naar het water. Voor de allerlaatste keer. Breng me naar het water. Breng me naar het meer. En lay me down. En leg me neer. Absolutely love that one. That was Breng me naar het water. Hola Maria. Obrigado.
I have something to say.
Hitter does have corona. Don't believe him. It's a lie. It's a trick.
I have something
Please
to say
send
about
help.
this song that you just
Help.
sang.
Oh, Hits has... Right,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. Kom maar op.
In general, your Dutch pronunciation is quite good. But it's, you said, breng me naar het water. It's actually pronounced, breng me naar het water.
Jij bent zo eentje, man.
Breng.
So the joke, quotable notables, the joke is that the very first time I did this one...
And the second time.
Did I do it the second time as well?
I think a couple of times.
Oh, no. So I...
More than once.
Obviously, like, it's tricky for my brain because I'm flipping from Dutch to English the whole time.
Don't you just hate it when that happens?
Oh my god. Like, polyglot problems. It's fun pretending to be pretentious. Ooh, too pro.
Oh,
That's fun. Joao.
Pretending. to be
Joao. Anyway, and so the
pretending
thing
to
is,
be
of course, you know, it
pretentious.
says, take me to the water, but then there's breng, or brengen in Dutch. I mean water. Water, bruv.
Bitten by butt.
Is it? Oh yeah, we were playing a game the other day.
Finish the first
Story, the first
first.
story. Yeah. So, and then it's brengen in Dutch is to bring. And so I'm always like, bring me to the water, but it's take me to the water. And so I was like, breng me naar het water. And I made eye contact with Hidda, sat behind the sofa, who just goes,
Oh, you.
Gregory, thank you very much for the donation, my man. Love you lots. And keep the suggestions coming for other songs. Yeah, so that was what was the second story? Oh yeah.
Bitten by bat.
I actually think Joao is more used to my accent than Hidda, because I speak to Joao nearly all the time in English, and I speak to Hidda all the time in Dutch. So the only time he hears me speak English is when there's like basically this for these
Yeah.
concerts, really. And
When
we
other
were
people are
we were
around.
playing at the video, well, not the video game. We were playing at the Spellenhuis,
The
at
board game.
the board game
store.
shop, and there was a card, and on my card it said "bitten by a bat," and Joao goes, "Okay," and Hidda was like, "No, not okay."
He said it
What?
twice. He said
I
it
was like,
twice. I honestly didn't understand.
Bitten by a bat.
Bitten
What?
by bat.
Bitten by a bat. And Joao was like, uh-huh. And Hida was like,
Makes
uh-uh.
complete sense. Makes incomplete sense, actually. Less than complete.
So, bitten by a bat. But yeah, I notice that it's funny. The less time, the longer I spend in the Netherlands, the more that I really sing with American accents now. That I'm like, take me to the water.
Take me to the water.
And I never would have done that 7 years
Water.
ago. And I know my parents at home are going to be going. They're both English teachers, and British people don't like American people. So
That's why I was saying what I was about to say. That's why they don't want you anymore in the UK kingdom.
UK kingdom.
that's why I had to.
Fire.
The UK
That's why I had to
kingdom.
renounce my citizenship because I actually say water instead
Yeah.
of water.
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 Bring me to the water.
Take
Bitten
me
by a
to
bat.
the
Bitten
water.
by a bat.
Oh
Bitten
my
by a
god,
bat.
I was bitten by a bat. Benjamin Jago Larham. I'm
Funny story.
I'm from Cornwall.
That is how I talk.
Yeah.
I actually have my Siri set to Australian because I absolutely love that they call me Benjamin Jago, and it's so cool. It's like, what's my name? Your name is Benjamin Jago. Unless you would like me to call you something different. And it's just like, oh my god, I love you. Please keep talking to me. Anyway, it's time for another song, and Joaquinho is going to come and join me singing something that I know my family is going to love especially, and my sister especially, who is also my family. So that was... But also, Sarah, lots of love for you, Sarah, for all the support, but I know that you love this one as well. So now you can listen to me and Joaquinho singing it.
Woohoo!
Wait, before you start,
Guys, tell me which song is this. We've been trying to know what it is. Dun, 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 dun. Na na na. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na 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 na.
Me and Hida have no idea what he's doing.
Man, I know exactly what it is. What it is. What it is. Or what it is. What it is. And I can't remember what's the name or how does it go. I just know this bit. Oh. Maybe I should get the score. Every time I feel the spirit.
Mum, can we have Bette Midler? No, we have Bette Midler at home. Bette Midler at home.
Oh wait, no, wrong one.
In what language is the song
Played. Oh, it's English. Oh, you're reading comments. It's English. I just know it goes like na 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 na. It's a girl singing very soft. It was used in Portuguese advertising as a sad song. But it's a beautiful song. Some say love.
Okay, let's try that again.
Yeah, sorry.
One.
Some say love. Okay, let me focus. Can you give me a seat? Oh my lord, I'm very out of focus. Sorry, guys. Sorry, Benjamin's family. Some say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. Some say love, it forsaking it. I say, love, it is a flower, and you're its only seed. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance. It's the dream afraid of waking that never takes a chance. It's the one who'll be taken, who cannot seem to give, and the soul afraid of dying that never learns to live. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long, and you think that love is only for the lucky and the strong, just remember in the winter, far beneath the bitter snows, is a seed that with a son's love in the spring becomes the rose.
tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a broken tree. I felt the branches of it lurking at me. Is this the place I used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. Maybe further moonlight, why don't we go? Talk about a time where only we know. This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if we ever made it, why don't we go? Talk about it somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go? So why don't we go? This could be the end of everything. Talk about it somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything. Oh, why don't we go? So why don't we know? Oh, that was so nice. Thank you, George.
So, oh yeah.
I think,
Hmm.
right?
That
Was
was,
it?
yeah, I don't think
Your
Joel's done the.
debut on the World Wide Web.
Yeah. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah,
Can I speak to
feels nice.
this? Can I speak to this thing?
I thought so, but
Girl.
it doesn't really come out. So
Oh.
Well, okay, then better luck next time. Have to. But can't I speak through the
yeah, I
thought feed- so. It has an
internal mic.
whatever this is called? Then?
listen to the recording, it's not there. So
Suspicious.
Just a quick aside, guys. Remember to subscribe, like the video, put a comment, talk to us. People on Facebook and Instagram, head over to YouTube and give us all your puli because it helps us buy more microphones.
Puli means money.
Puli. I love.
Puli means money.
Oh, Joao was
what's
talking
something?
into
Yeah.
the microphone.
Puli means money.
Puli means money in Georgian.
And if you give us puli, then we can actually speak with two voices at the same time rather than pretend that one person is speaking but have the other person speaking in their place.
Not that you guys would ever notice a difference.
No. No.
Yo,
My, my name is Joao. I like money. Give me money, please.
Now it just reminds me of the guy from Police Academy. Police Academy. The one who does the songs.
Ah, yeah.
There's this thing that he goes. There's this thing that he goes to fight those guys. He puts a band in his head.
Yeah. Yeah.
You wanna fight? I will fight you.
Yeah. This is going to look great.
Give us money! Give us money! Give us money! Oh, yeah! Give your money all to me, yo! Yeah! Sorry, it just. I know. I couldn't control it.
Think we found our promo for next week.
This will be the ad video for our Patreon.
So guys, you will open Patreon next week, and then you will see me facing my back to the camera and screaming, "Money, money! Give us money! Give us all your money for the Patreon and donations! Oh yeah, or PayPal! Give us all your money! We need donations to buy equipment and stuff, yeah." Money for our donation. Oh, no. Sorry. Give us all your money. Give us money.
Okay.
It's like those subliminal
Well, that's
uh,
okay,
text.
wow, this is not subliminal. Just to put it out there, this is like
No.
the furthest thing away from subliminal.
No, so we'll make a video with some subliminal images, just like stroboscopy, flashing like, give us money, give us money, give us money. In these videos, you'll see these live concerts. Yeah. Pew, pew, pew. They say this works. It's like those experiments they did in the 60s with the LSD and all that things, and telekinesis and all that, all those things. Yeah, it works.
And for people watching at home, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sitting through that. And send this to go for it, Hiddo.
To 10 people that owe you money.
To show you money. No, send this to somebody who you would like to go on a road trip to the United States with.
That's cute. I like that.
I am cute. Guys, we're supposed to be supportive.
Oh yeah, you are so cute.
The cutest. With a Q and a U. Cute. So cute.
Joao, Yod isn't watching yet, so you know.
So we can't make fun of him yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, well, let us know.
See her how she flies, golden sails across the skies, close enough to touch, but careful if you try. Though she looks as warm as gold, the moon's a harsh mistress. The moon can be so cold. Once the sun did shine, yes, it felt so fine. Moon, a phantom, rolls through darkness and the pines, and then the darkness fell, and the moon's a harsh mistress. It's so hard to love her well. I fell out of her eyes. I fell out of her heart. I fell down on my face, and I tripped and missed my start. God, I fell and fell alone. And the moon's a harsh mistress, and the sky is made of stone. The moon's a harsh mistress. She's hard to call your own. chills me to the bone. Drenched in vanilla twilight, I'll sit on the front porch all night, waist deep in thought, because when I think of you, I don't feel so alone. I don't feel so alone. nameless heads on nameless walls, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like the strangers that you've met. The ragged men in ragged clothes, a silver thorn, a bloody rose, lie crushed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you tried say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity. How you try and set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. They're not listening still. Perhaps they never will. sun slowly rising. I was walking out slowly, wandering free, when out in the distance, over the valley, I saw an old friend waiting for me, She was a young girl, she was an old soul, as fair as the ocean, timeless and free. She was my mother, she was my daughter, she was my lover, she was everything an old friend could be. I said it's been such a long time since we have spoken. There's so much to say to you, I want you to know. I wish you could tell me all that you've seen here, but we haven't got long now, for soon you'll be fading, and soon I know my way home. I know my way home. She said you are a soldier, you are a father, you are a wise man, you are my friend, you are my first love, I won't forget you. I'm walking beside you. I was here when you started. I'll be here till the end. And now it's the evening, isn't much more I wanted to know. And I am alone now. She isn't beside me. But I feel no sorrow. I'd come tomorrow. I'll be on my way home. I'll be on my way home. Thank you.
Hey, you stopped the rain.
I stopped the rain.
Thank you.
Y'all are welcome. Oh, that was so lovely. Thank you everybody for joining. I have no idea what I just played. You'll find it in the set list that Joao will do tomorrow, because Joao is also when he does the set list. Thank you, Joao.
Or Sunday morning.
Or Sunday morning, or next Friday, like this week.
Have you finished the one from last Friday?
I did. I just forgot to send it to you. Hello, Hans. Hi, Linda and Tom. Lovely that you're there. Thank you, Lynn. Yeah, I am really enjoying them as well. So I'm glad you guys are. Ooh, okay. We had another request. So we're going to take an absolute... Sorry? You guys are free to join in because I know you guys will know this. So feel free to shout into the microphone. And this is a special... I got back into... You know what? I'll explain later. Or I just got a text from somebody saying, too beautiful for words, Benjamin. So thank you for that. That was lovely.
It's beautiful. Beautiful.
Could one of you guys go?
Where are you going?
I'm going to get tea.
Benjamin's getting tea. The tea has been poured. Benjamin's coming back now.
That was very, very fun.
The tea has been poured.
The tea has been poured.
So I know we're missing the guitar for this one.
Oh, Spencer.
I messaged him today. No, but there should be loads of electric guitars.
What? Oh.
it's not what's the
Phantom of the Opera.
yeah exactly.
Yeah.
It's I think is you do it on a piano and suddenly it's not that. Okay, sorry.
Sorry for this.
You know,
Thank you, Jean.
Jazzy Greasy.
one of my friends actually played Christine in an English
mentioned it to me.
touring,
That's very cool.
touring version of Phantom of the Opera.
Yeah, that's really cool.
In the before times, she just had
In
maybe
the before
two
times.
shows and then everything got cancelled.
Oh no.
She is and always will be Christine. Portuguese one, Cristina. O Fantão do Ópera. Fantasma do Ópera. Da ópera.
I wanna be the very best, and no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide, to teach one and understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em and you and me. I know it's not easy, Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend. They're what we must defend. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, oh, it's so true. I gotta jump faster. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all.
Go Pikachu!
Every challenge along the way with courage I will face. I will battle every day to claim my rightful place. Come with me, the time is right. There's no better team. Arm in arm, we'll win the fight. It's always been a dream. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, it's you and me. I know it's my destiny, Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend. They know what we must defend. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, oh, it's so true. I gotta jump past through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all.
Prepare for trouble.
And make it double. Oh, sorry.
To protect the world from devastation!
To unite all people within our nation.
To denounce the evil of truth and love!
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Pokemon!
Jesse James.
Meow, that's right.
Wobbuffet!
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, it's you and me. I know it's my destiny, Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend. They know what we must defend. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em, all so true. I gotta jump past through, and you teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em. This is a sad version. Oh, I've got the best thing to the best thing to come and finish it off,
I've got the munchies.
like to tail it off. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Should I wait for another minute?
We are all a bit of this.
When you were before, could I look you in the eye? You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so fucking special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice that I'm not around. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, oh, she's running out the door. She's running out. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here.
Nicely sung, Jorginho. Gerard sent me the music of that today. Like, can we do this one, please?
We are all a bit creeps. We all have a weirdo in ourselves.
My sister is sending me NSFW. Thank you, Widzinho.
NSFW.
For memes while I'm doing it, while I'm doing the concert, and now that was dude, I just had an idea of what to do. Oh yeah. So Sorry, I started that 2 times. Guys, thank you for being so active in the chat. There's 15 of you watching. My computer's telling me. Normally it says less than what it is, so that's always nice. I'm going to do 2 songs in a very special language.
All languages are created equal, Benjamin.
That's true, except for some are more equal than others.
Anglo-centric doo-doo head.
Absolutely. I mean, yes, words.
Mm.
Mm.
So which language you say is so special?
People have to guess. And it's going to start off in English, but that's not what the special language is.
It's a very special language. Not many people have heard of it.
Yeah. You always say everyone thinks they're very special.
Yeah. Well, aren't we? Joao says everyone thinks they're very special.
In a way.
After having just sung that
I'm a
we're all
weirdo.
creeps, we're all weirdos. We're all special in our own way.
Yeah, rude.
Oh, the disrespect.
You're being literally so rude right now.
Literally so disrespectful.
Anyway, I'm not going to tell the viewers where that meme is from. But
I just haven't been on screen in a while and I thought I'd join you again. So here I am.
would you like to say anything?
Being present. No.
Being present in the moment.
My presence speaks for itself.
Were you amazing? Als ik in het Engels doe?
Ik weet niet, wat het is.
Scientist. Coldplay.
Ja,
Oké. Zal ik beginnen? Oké.
Be right back.
Just because we haven't had enough depressing songs today, we are gonna do one really depressing song and one kind of sad song but happy. And also, can we get some love in the comments? Wait, there's 15 of y'all watching right now. Okay,
17.
17 people are watching. Only 10 people have liked this video. So anybody who's joined us, I'm gonna count down from 3, 2, 1, and you have to like the video. Okay, yeah, I was like 3, 2. I didn't mean to flip y'all off. Sorry about that. So everybody who's watching and hasn't watched 18.
Whoa!
Oh my God.
We are
3.
literally superstars.
Okay,
Give it a like.
everybody ready to push the like button underneath the video in
Wait,
3.
Let me go on the video.
Liking like a maniac.
Okay.
Okay, in
Ready.
everybody push the like button underneath the
not
video.
on the comments. Go on the video.
Thank you, Gunda, but also on the video. But this is a
And-
great start.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, already 2 more.
2 more. Awesome.
Go, 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 go.
13.
Go.
It's good.
Oh.
Awesome. Thank you guys for Okay. And there's another call to action for all you guys because you haven't done enough work today. Send this to a person, send this link for the next 10 minutes who you would like to go to China with, or somebody who you know who has been to China.
They're spelling everything.
They've forgotten already by now. They just think I'm doing Coldplay. Not okay. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. Sorry, Joao is losing it here behind the cameras. Can me, just give Joao a minute to.
Highly distracted.
Yeah, it's on. Okay. Okay, now serious. Genoeg gelachen, as Hidde says.
Very sorry for this.
It's like Monty Python. Get on with it. The person responsible for the subtitles has been sacked. Woman.
Alzuvik. Alzuvik.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me a secret, ask me a question. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming up tails, heads on a science apart. Mayor은 쇼저은 롱이 도마크시 버는 흔히 짜이지 Mayor은 능통롱면돼 Mayor은 승쇼주루 티젠나让我重新认识你。I was just guessing at numbers and figures, pulling your puzzles apart. Questions of science, science and progress do not speak as loud as mine. Tell me you love me and come back and haunt me. Oh, when I rush to the start, running in circles, chasing our tails. Oh, coming back as we are. Mayor은 쇼전 롱이 도마크시 버는 흔히 짜이지 Mayor은 능통롱면돼 Mayor은 등쇼주를 티젠나 와 정신认识你 I 蝴蝶眨几左眼睛，在水会飞行，夜空洒满了星星，等几颗会落地。我飞行，当你坠落之际，很靠近，还听见呼吸。对不起，我却没抓紧你。你不知道我为什么离开你，我真这么能说，反而你哭泣，你的泪滴像倾盆大雨，碎了满地，在心里清晰。你不知道我为什么很伤心，盘旋在你看不见的高空里，多的是你不知道的事。蝴蝶眨几次眼睛，在水会飞行，夜空洒满了星星，但几颗会落地。我飞行，但你坠落之际很靠近，还听见呼吸。对不起，我却没抓紧你。你不知道我为什么离开你，我真这么能说，反而你哭泣，你的泪滴像倾盆大雨，碎了满地，在心里清晰。你不知道我为什么很伤心，盘旋在你看不见的高空里，多的是你不知道的事。多的是你不知道。的是情绪伴游着谁的梦啊，一情去意，若落一地花。绿灯匆匆的赶路啊，走四季。 山谷的薄雾吻在眼下，绿叶之下，曾多少情话，划破天空的微鸟，更多你不到，大不完如同昨夜天晚扎破了纹身的轮廓，想起很久之前我们的往说，一夜曲折过我有一道坎坷，走不去看不破，潺潺流水中日宽过了青山一座座，好像多年计划你依然记着，那一人是否约定过你的诉说？笑着你，笑着我，笑着你。笑着我。Three absolutely stunning Chinese songs. Hi, Ethan. 谢谢. Yeah, this will be available to rewatch live. As Jorginho said, unfortunately, we've come to the last song. Yeah, y'all may be sad. And out of that sadness, be inspired to donate more so that we give more of these concerts in the future. No, but for realsies, we're going to finish with one of my favorite ones to finish on. We do it often with the boys, but I will do it as a solo this time. Especially because I know Anne and Hans are watching. Hello, Anne and Hans.
There are also still some people that can give a like to this video.
There are also some people that can still give a like to this video.
15 viewers, but 13 likes.
I've got 14 here on my laptop.
Well,
Stop
still.
being stingy and give us a like and all your
Yeah.
poolie. No, but for real. Guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because that helps us more than you guys can realize. It's been really lovely singing for you guys. That's the last song. If people are watching on Instagram and Facebook, they can happily carry on watching on those platforms for now. Remember to subscribe. That helps us out loads. Next week, we're going to be here with a Patreon. In the meantime, the Tiki and PayPal links are underneath.
And Petje Af.
And Petje Af next week. And yeah, stay safe. Have a lovely weekend. And sorry, we will do that next week, Beth. My sister just texted me her request and I forgot again. I'm really, 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 really sorry. I was in flow for a lot of this concert, so that's what Yor always does whenever he's done something like dumb, silly, rude, or naughty. He's just like, but I'm too cute to be mad with.
And what do you do, Benjamin?
And apparently that's the same thing I do because I've been living too long with Yod. Oh, I do ding, like the emoji with the thingy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Soon there will be a set list. Remember, the biggest thing that you guys can help, apart from donating, subscribing, and liking the video and leaving comments,
And supporting the arts.
and supporting the
And staying in school. And educating your children.
Okay, don't listen to Hitter, but that's good. Do that. But apart from that, when we get the set list and we put it up as a photo on Facebook and Instagram, make sure you click back on and send it to somebody and say, listen to this song because this one was really good. So that's y'all's homework for the week. Pick one of the songs from the set list and send it to somebody.
Make it nice and specific.
Nice and specific. discouraging word, and the clouds and the skies are not cloudy all day. I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Just like the night or the morning, after the darkness has gone, the shadow of my love is falling on a place where the sun always shone. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Live with you all on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Together our two hearts are strong. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? And I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Thank you for being here. Lots of love to the people here at the Muziekkamer. Love to Widzinho and Joãozinho. Thank you all for
Love
joining.
to you as well.
Thank you. Love received and appreciated. Now, thank you. Yeah, Andre. Thank you, Andre, for the camera. As always, it's lovely being able to use that equipment. And otherwise, yeah, that's it really. Make sure you tune back tomorrow for the set list and send it to literally everybody you know. Joao wants to say something.
Thank you, Lynn, for reminding us that today was our 28th concert. So only 2 weeks for the 30th celebration.
It's amazing.
Anniversary edition.
Anniversary edition for the 30th.
What is it, like our silver concert?
When you give 30 concerts,
Silver
you...
plus wood.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining. And now we're going to just start packing down. Same as last time, I guess. I will stay here at the piano. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll just talk
About anything?
about anything. Like, when lightning hits the sea, why don't all the fishes die? You ever wondered that? Okay.
You
if
think
somebody can...
cows call each other by their names when people are not around?
That's a good one. Cows probably call each other by their names.
Dolphins actually have names.
Yeah.
Sort of. Or whales, or maybe both.
Unicorns too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Guys, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Because otherwise we're just going to babble. No, yeah, okay, Yod's not watching, so. Hida has a new hobby. Hida goes
Yeah,
bouldering.
I started bouldering, which is a sort of rope climbing without a rope, up to 4 meters high. And I started doing it a month ago, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. And next week I'm going to climb with Yod, Benjamin's friend, for the first time, because Yod is
Stop for a second.
Yeah.
I'll change the mic.
Turn all of that off.
And are we using this microphone as well?
No, that one's off.
That's cool.
So it's just this one here.
And we're going bouldering for the first time next week, and I'm very excited. Yod seems to have. I think Yod saw a little promo video about it, right?
On
And then
Instagram,
then on Instagram, and then now he wants to do it as well. So we're going to have some fun. That'll be nice.
I have never been bouldering either.
Benjamin
like
will
with-
come in a month.
What happens?
Huh?
What happens when you go bouldering?
Nothing happens. You climb and you feel good about yourself, and then you. First time I bouldered, I didn't climb very well. I'm still not a star at all, of course, having done it only 5 times. But my forearms were completely out of it. I was completely finished. So normal household tasks like getting dressed and making food suddenly were very difficult. Like I couldn't pull up my socks, I couldn't tie my shoelaces. I have a what's kaasschaaf?
The cheese thing.
Like the thing to cut off slices of cheese. I could
Yeah,
hardly
cheese
use it
slicer.
because there was so little power left in my arms. So if anyone wanted to rob me, that was the moment.
Good to know.
Good to know.
Yeah, well, it was a month ago.
Oh shit. Okay. Too late now.
But in the meantime, Hida has got better,
Yeah, I'm a little better now.
and he really enjoys it.
But my, I don't know. I climb with friends who are far better than I am, so it's something to achieve for, something to aim to achieve for. So that's what I'll do maybe in the coming
Years.
decades.
Hida has a new hobby.
These are the first steps of a long and arduous journey.
Your listeners, viewers don't know it, but actually, in 3 months, you're not gonna believe Hida.
Yeah, I won't fit
Because
this sweater anymore.
Hida is gonna be so buff, he's gonna burst
Yeah.
out of everything he is wearing. Ja, toch?
Yeah, completely
Can I
true.
tell a joke?
Joao wants to tell a
As
joke.
long as it's PG.
If anyone wants to go bouldering with me, let me know. We can go together.
Oh my god, can you take Gunda?
Yeah, if she wants to.
I
Yeah,
just
Gunda, if you
had
want to
this
go
image that
bouldering.
Gunda would be awesome at bouldering and like singing opera while she was
Yeah,
doing
I'm
it.
sure she would. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
definitely.
Gunda seems like a multi-talent, climbing and singing opera at the same time. That could be your niche.
Clopra.
Klopra, yes.
Escopra. Or blopra.
Can I just take a moment and say that Scarlett Scarlos is being really good? Thank
They
you
are
so
being
much.
very
Baby.
good.
She's a baby. He's a baby.
Do you want to
They
tell
are
a
a
joke,
baby.
Joao?
Oh yeah. So
Joao was going to tell a joke.
2 shake bros arrive in hell. You know those really buff guys.
Gym bros,
Gym bros.
fit bros.
Kimbro.
And then one of them says to the other, "Hey man, do you know where I can get a
Imam.
protein shake?" And the other one says, "There's no way in hell."
There's no way.
I think we should leave the camera on Joao for him to stay with.
Wait.
Anything is art if you want it to be.
Wait, we can do Inception again.
Look at me getting naughty
Ooh.
with Scarlozette.
Can
Scarlozette.
we not? Did we ask consent, boys?
It was implied.
You guys are awful.
Look at
She's
Joao, can you stop fondling Scarlet, please?
Scarlos.
it was consented. We have the contract.
The contract.
That's the way it works. No?
Yeah, that is the way it works. Yeah, welcome in the 21st century. I don't know what that means.
But it sounds cool.
You sound cool. You look good from this angle, Hida. Very handsome. No, wait, stay there. You'll just have to look back in the future.
Oh,
Back in the
so
future.
from here.
That's one step forward.
One step.
Yeah, and okay, and now look here and put one hand in your hair like this.
Maybe in a second. I think it needs to be organic.
You're forcing it. It
Yeah.
doesn't work this way.
Yeah, I mean, I need to get into character first. Like, who am I? What am I doing with my hair? Why does it need to be tousled? Give me some background. Give me something to work with. Artistic manager.
Joel, how do I get back to the thing?
Jalarm.
Which thing?
Are you zooming in?
No,
Are you zooming in on
oh,
my
I don't
nose?
know how. I wish I
No.
could zoom in, but it's just like
There's a thing,
and you just look very,
but it's
very
really,
handsome from this. No, it's okay.
It's really not
From below. Wow.
You can do it here, but that's just to be this way.
Oh wait, do it again. Hit, can you look at the camera and be small?
Yes, I'll be like sultry.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to look right at the camera. I don't want to look. I don't know how many people are still watching, but that's
Enough.
a bit. Enough. Too real to be sultry at them. And I don't
Oh,
know if
that's
that's
it.
what you came for. Actually,
What have you done?
are you using funny filters?
I wish.
Abu Dhabi,
Abu Dhabi.
Paris, Oslo.
What's the best filter for you?
I think Jakarta or Jaipur. I think Jaipur is a good one. for me.
Oh, I played
like
Jaipur.
Denmark.
Have you ever played it?
No.
It's so good.
Board
It's
game.
like poker for babies.
No.
But it's so good. It's a really good. Okay, well, since it was on 89, it's
Oh,
just
it's
it's a really
just
good game. I
flips a
bought
bit.
it the other day.
Oh.
I
How much?
played it, and it was just like
I want to go to
awesome.
the board game store again tomorrow. You have
You-
time? Not so
Not
much.
really.
Okay. That's
I
alright.
unless I mean I could join you in the morning for something.
Morning is very early.
Yeah, I know exactly.
Morning's very early.
Yeah.
But I was there twice this week playing Pokemon. So, guys, why have none of you left comments?
Still 9 people watching.
I'm surprised people are still watching.
Yeah, 10 people.
No, I think they just have the thing on the move. Just Carl was it.
I look like, oh no.
Look at yourself and think about what you did. Now be sultry. Play with your hair.
This is fun.
We're making a Wes Anderson movie.
Isn't life a Wes Anderson movie?
Look into the camera.
Are you being meta?
That's it. That's perfect.
Are you being meta now?
No, don't move. It's just looking and speaking.
Are you being meta now?
Why don't you tell a story about what you did today? Right into the camera. No emotion.
No emotion? Okay. What did I do today?
This is art. Art is not funny.
A
Yeah.
story about what I did today? I mean, dude, I cooked. That
Okay.
was it.
Maybe a story about something noteworthy that happened when the weather was so nice.
The weather was nice.
When today?
The weather was not nice today. but the
Weather,
was
well,
nice
I mean,
yesterday.
depends on what you're
I
looking
like the
for.
rain.
Oh, should I do the BBC voice doing it? You know this one.
Try it.
Good evening and welcome to the BBC. In today's news, there are showers sweeping in from the east from the Netherlands, which will be falling over London and mainly the home counties, spreading somewhat northwards and westwards. In other news,
Breaking news?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but they're British, so it's no emotion.
Do they say this just in?
This just in. I don't know.
Or is that only
No,
in movies?
no, that's just. No,
In the
other
films.
in other news. It
The
says-
pictures.
In other
The
news.
pictures.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, guys, it's been real. Bye.
No, 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 no.